Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a pop-up discount on your Shopify store. This is a great way to boost your sales, grow your email list, and encourage visitors to buy right away, all automatically. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Let's get started. Head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what are we going to do next is going to be heading over to discounts. Now, I'm going to create our discount right there. Choose the type of discount that you want to have in your Shopify store. It could be a discount on specific products, a discount on the entire order, buy X, get Y deals, or even free shipping offers. For this tutorial, we're going to select Amount Off Products. Then, you'll have two options, discount code or automatic discount. I'm going to use the automatic discount setup because it applies instantly without customers typing anything. Now, here's a little trick. The title of the discount is what your customers will see in their cart or checkout, so make it clear and attractive. For example, I'll name mine Free 15, giving 15% off. You can choose between a percentage or fixed amount. I'm going to give it a percentage discount and apply it to specific products or to all products if you prefer. For eligibility, I'll give it to all customers. We'll leave the minimum purchase amount empty for now, so it applies to any order. For combinations, I'll leave it off, but you can allow combinations if you want customers to stack multiple discounts. Then, set a start date and an end date. For example, I'll start it on the 1st of November. Once done, click on Save. Now, we've successfully created the discount. We've created the discount, but now we need to pop up the actual window that will appear on your website offering the discount. Head over to the online store section and then click on Themes. Next, click on Customize to edit your store design. Inside the theme editor, we can add a new section. I'm going to remove any old banner or custom section I don't need, so we can start from scratch. Then click Add Section and select Custom Liquid. Once it's added, I'll rename it to Pop-Up Discount. This will be the section where we'll embed the pop-up code from an external platform. We're going to use a platform called Flesk. Head over to flesk.com, sign up for a free trial, no credit card needed, and it'll let you create your first pop-up easily. If you prefer not to use Flesk, you can also use a free alternative like Elfsite. It works similarly and is great for beginners. Once you're in Flesk, go to Forms, click Create New Form, and select Pop-Up. Here's where the fun part starts. You can customize your pop-up however you want, add your brand image, color scheme, and text. For example, I'll write, take 15% off your first order. Then add a field where customers can enter their email address. This way, you're not just giving a discount, you're also collecting email subscribers for future marketing. You can even upload a promotional image, maybe a product photo or a seasonal banner, to make it look attractive. Once your pop-up is ready, click Embed Twitter code inside Fledscape. Copy that code, it's a simple HTML snippet. Now, go back to your Shopify theme editor, open the custom liquid section we made earlier, and paste the code there. Click Save, and boom, the pop-up is now active on your store preview. When someone visits your website, they'll see your pop-up appear asking for their email in exchange for a discount code. Make sure your pop-up doesn't appear too frequently, you can set timing rules, looks good on both desktop and mobile. Is connected to your email marketing app, so you can automatically send the discount code to new subscribers. You can even A/B test different designs or timing, for example, showing the pop-up after 10 seconds or when someone scrolls halfway down the page. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you have enjoyed the content. Pop-up discounts are one of the most effective ways to convert visitors into paying customers, so definitely give this a try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future Shopify tutorials. And as always, I hope to see you soon in the next one. Take care and happy selling.